the Prime Minister of New Zealand in the house. Now I'd like to give you a round of applause, give the opportunity for him to share a message. His Honourable Chris Hipkins. Mais pati malasi mali frangat palmia.
Talofa lava, everybody. Good to see you. It's fantastic to be here. This is my first Polyfest, and I'm so pleased to be here with you all. And I've got this amazing team of Pacific members of Parliament here, and Willie Jackson as well. It's so good to have everybody here, but particularly to have with us our first Pacific Deputy Prime Minister. Carmel Sepuloni is with me as well, along with all of my team here. And we're so pleased to be here with you. And we're so pleased to see your performances, so much energy going into them, and such an amazing celebration to be part of. The theme for today, Mana Motohaki, is about taking control of your own future. I think that's a fantastic theme for this event, because celebrating your own culture, knowing who you are, is a big part of helping to shape your own future. So I think it's awesome that we're able to be here with you to celebrate what is an incredible occasion, to be back in person, because I know last time this happened, a lot of you were just watching it on the screen and you couldn't be here to watch the people who you care about performing, and it's so nice to be able to be back together and to be able to be in person. So I think that's awesome. So thank you for the chance to be here with you. And I'm going to hand over to the Deputy Prime Minister of New Zealand, Carmel Sepuloni.
Patia, 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 patia. Ruamai, hey, hey!
Talofa lava, everyone, and it is so good to be here. I know how hard it was for everyone last year having to do this online and all the cancellations in recent years. To all the families and teachers and principals that have supported all our young people to get on this stage, whaftai lava to all of you. There's a whole village effort that has to go into making this work, and you have all been part of that. So we are grateful to you for that. I am showing no bias here, despite the fact that I am the MP for Kelston. We want whoever is the best on the day to win. But what I do want to do is make sure that you meet some of our other teams. So I'm Carmel Sepuloni, the Labour MP for Kelston. This is
Barbara Edmonds, the MP for Mana and Minister for Pacific Peoples.
Kia ora, I'm Willow Jean Prime, I'm the MP for Northland, and I'm the Minister for Youth.
Hey, pati.
Kia ora, I'm Arina Williams, I'm the MP for Manurewa, Manukau and Papatoetoe.
Hey, pati.
Ka lofa lava anahila kanungata sui ki Papa Kura, let's MP, let's give it.
Yeah, pati. Hey.
Kia ora ana, I'm Tangi Tikiri, the MP for Palmerston North.
Hey, pati, wahoi, sole, pami, yeah.
Kia ora koutou, Willie Jackson, Minister for Māori Development. Kia ora.
Malo, pati, mai.
Talofa lava malo, lava le soifua maua malelangi mama. I'm Lotu Fuli, Manukau Ward Councillor.
Kaya manguia, Tawanu Nick Beckledge, Chair of the local board, Mangabe Otahu.
Hey, malo.
Now we're going to get out of your way because you didn't come here to listen to all the politicians.
Malo,
you came here for the performances. We're going to hand back to the coordinators so that you can get ready to see Muslin College.
Sorry to intrude. Before you leave, we have one request, that we have a grand finale dance for our Honourable Prime Minister, Chris Hipkins, and mostly our important politicians. And Papatoetoe High School are going to do the song, Siva Mai Tātou, Lima Lunga. Prime Minister, come. Mai ni sip sos wangi. Hui. Lima Lunga. Baca. Hui. Sir. Oh, Patsy. Yo. Pati mai, bat mai tato, bat mai. Bacha. Yo. Hey. Ja, mai sa bati la polena, la fiona le palmeo le tato atunu. Five all the best. Ja, man we are for ya, fa mo le yaso.